How to import Outlook contacts to HCL Notes. In your Outlook client, then this is my in mailbox. Okay, so here I am going to contacts. Click on contacts. Here is my contact list. Okay, so these people are added in my contact list. So go to the file menu, then open and export. Click on this one, then click on import or export. After that, click on the import and export wizard. This windows has come, and then click on the click on click click on export to the file, then click on next. Okay, and then select this comma separated value. Okay, then click on next. Okay, and after that, here is the contacts. Select the contacts and click on next. Okay, and save this file on your desktop. Browse and select the desktop and click on next. So after that, here is the check or export check option is enabled, and just finish this activity. .csv file. So I'm going to import in my administrator ID. So I'm using the administrator ID. So open. Here is my address book. Is administrator contacts. Okay, it's already mapped on my workspace. So if you are not able to find this address book on your workspace, so then go to Control O, yeah, file menu, open application, and here is on local on my computer. Type the names. Okay, and then open. Your local contacts will be open. Then my contacts have only one address added in my local contacts. So click here, go more, click on the more, then import, click on import contacts. You need to check need to select the file, CSV file. I have keep it in on the desktop. Click desktop. Here is my CSV file. Open. Okay, and just import. Okay, all contacts are added in your local Lotus Notes contact list. Okay, when I close and then again reopen, it will be open. Okay, so any open any contacts, so detail will be here. Okay, so this is the step to importing the contacts from Outlook to Lotus Notes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.